calls for something hearty. So let's go to the kitchen together to make something special. Let's go. Traditionally, Spanish omelette is made with a base of sliced potatoes and onions, but I like to add more to mine. I do add a few vegetables along with some herbs. I'm going to list down all the ingredients down below so that you can have an idea that what you can use also. Of course, we'll be needing egg for it and the potatoes and onions. So here I'm going to heat the oil in the frying pan first and going to layer the potatoes and the onions. Please make sure that the pan is over low-medium heat all along. At this point, the eggs have been cooked from the base. I'm just putting the olives now. You can do that before also. We'll loosen the edges and we'll place a plate on top of the omelette so that we can flip it and it cooks from the top as well. I'm going to take the pan to the sink because this step can get a little messy. So now I'm done and the pan is back on the flame. Once the other side cooks, we are going to flip the eggs again so that the top of the omelette comes on the top, like so. You can have this omelette on its own or just can stuff it between two slices of bread like so. I hope you guys are going to give this recipe a try. An ideal recipe for Sehri, not just for brunch, lunch or dinner. As always, all of the ingredients and their measurements along with all of my social media handles are mentioned in the description box below. Please keep liking, keep sharing and commenting, and do subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you guys again really soon with another of my recipes. Please stay home, stay safe. Take good care of yourself. Bye.